Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. This is day 2 of the answer writing practice that we are conducting today, and in today's answer writing practice we are going to pick up GS paper 1. आज की क्लास में हम GS paper 1 को pick up करने वाले हैं and we are going to solve a previous year question, right, from 2018's mains question paper. हम 2018 का GS paper 1 का mains का question paper आज हम देंगे और एक question उसमें से solve करेंगे. I've told you that I'm not going to overburden you, right? So that is why in each class I'm going to solve one questions taken from the previous year question paper, and this is just a demo for all of you how you need to approach the questions in mains. आप लोगों को सिखाने का है, रटवाने के मेरा aim नहीं है. I do not aim to make you cram the answers. My aim is to make you understand how you can approach the questions, right? Students, they have a fear of writing. Students have the fear of approaching mains. Prelims में तैयारी कर लेते हो because it's objective, but when it comes to subjective, students they get scared. That is why my only aim is to remove that fear from your mind of approaching answer writing. Okay, so just to clear out that fear, I am going to demonstrate how you can attempt the question, what you need to think, how you have to strategize your answer, and then how you have to structure them, and then you can write. Plus, without content, you are not going to attempt a single question. Mark my words. अगर आपको content ही नहीं पता, आप attempt ही नहीं कर पाओगे. Only when you have the correct knowledge, the correct amount of knowledge, the content with you, only then, and the awareness, only then you can attempt any question. So make sure that you finish your syllabus, make sure that you are reading the newspapers, and make sure that you are aware of what is going on around you. You are not stuck in the mundane, lifestyle. Just make sure that you are aware enough to frame any answer. Let's start. As you can see, the question paper specific instructions, there will be in the question paper in mains there are 20 questions. Then all questions are compulsory. Question number 1 to 10 answered have to be answered in 150 words. Question number 11 to 20 have to be answered in 250 words. And word limit आपको ध्यान में रखना ही है. You cannot avoid the word limit over here. Point clear हो रहा है? Because if you breach the word limit, then you will not be left with any space and negative marking हो ही जाती है क्योंकि impression खराब हो जाता है ना. So you have to adhere to the word limit. Now today we are going to pick up the 2018's question paper and we are going to start with this question. Question number 4. Why is Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System IRNSS needed? This is often in news. How does it help in navigation? तो भारतीय प्रादेशिक नौ परिवहन उपग्रह प्रणाली IRNSS की आवश्यकता क्यों है? Now, ये नौ परिवहन में किस प्रकार सहायक है? तो नेविगेशन में किस तरीके से इस टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज होता है ये आपको समझना है. ठीक है. Now this IRNSS, this is a current affair based question, geography current affair based question है. It is always in the newspaper. So first thing that they are checking is your alertness. How alert are you when it comes to your newspapers, your current events. They are checking your awareness. देखो अवेयरनेस मतलब होता है कि आपके आसपास जो हो रहा है ना, रट्टेबाजी सब कर लेते हैं, बट आसपास जो हो रहा है उसको कितना बारीकी से आप समझते हो ये चेक किया जाता है यूपीएससी के द्वारा. ठीक है. यूपीएससी ऑलवेज टेस्ट योर अवेयरनेस अबाउट द सराउंडिंग्स. यू कैन क्रैम थिंग्स, यू कैन नो अबाउट थिंग्स, बट दे आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट हाउ अवेयर यू आर ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड यू, इवन ऑन अ माइन्यूट स्केल. ओके, दैट इज टेस्टेड बिकॉज इन द फ्यूचर यू आर गोइंग टू बी एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. दिस इज हेल लॉट ऑफ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी that is going to be on your shoulders, right? If you are not aware of your surroundings, then you cannot even in your dream administer anybody or anything for that matter. Okay, so your awareness is tested. Now why is IRNSS needed? Before that you need to explain to the examiner what actually is IRNSS. इससे पहले आपको आपकी alertness का प्रदर्शन करना है. आपको बताना है कि देखो मैं अलर्ट हूं, मुझे पता है ये IRNSS है क्या. क्योंकि जब तक तुम ये नहीं समझाओगे, तुम कैसे समझाओगे कि ये नीडेड क्यों है, कैसे समझाओगे कि ये नेविगेशन में कैसे हेल्प करता है जब लोग किसी को पता ही नहीं है ये है क्या. Consider the examiner as a layman. Consider the examiner as a person who is asking questions from you. He himself does not know anything about this topic. ऐसे समझाना है. ठीक है, कि सामने एग्जामिनर को खुद को नहीं पता कि क्या है ये, वो आपसे जानना चाह रहा है. तो आप कैसे समझाओगे? पहले आप किसी भी इंसान को बताओगे कि बेटा IRNSS है क्या, मैं पहले ये समझा देता हूँ या समझा देती हूँ. So IRNSS is a regional tracking system that allows users to find their position on the map as well as act as a directional mechanism for transportation. Commercial name of the system is Navid, and it is in similar lines with the global positioning system, that is the GPS. Now here, even if you do not write the full forms, it is okay, right? अगर full form यहाँ नहीं लिखते हो, because introduction has to be short. If you go on writing the full forms, then it will take a long, more amount of space. So what is it? ये regional navigational satellite system है. It's a regional tracking system which helps you to find the position on the map and the direction how to reach to that position, right? So that is IRNSS. इसका commercial नाम system का है Navic और ये GPS की तरह ही है, ठीक है? Point clear? Introduction is clear. I've told you always attempt the question in this format: I, B, C. I means introduction, B means body, C means conclusion. Okay? So now introduction should be of, देखो this is a 10 marker question, 150 words है ना? That means 1.5 page you will take to write the answer. 1.5 पेज आपको मिलेंगे आंसर लिखने के लिए. तो you have to save the space and you have to be concise, be precise in your answer. Introduction 2 to 3 lines का आपका हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? Point clear? Now before we move forward, here's a small announcement. See, you all know about Unacademy Civil Services Championship. It is going to be India's largest scholarship test, which is created for prelims 2021 examination. So it is going to be conducted on 13th June, 10 AM in the morning. 2 hours test will be there. You can enroll for free. I've given you the link in the description box. Attempt the live test on 13th June. And if you score top 50 rank, अगर आप top 50 rank में आते हो, then you will stand a chance to get direct guidance from best CSE mentors. People who themselves have cleared this examination are going to be your mentors throughout your journey if you score top 1 to 50 rank. Plus, you also stand a chance to win scholarship and prizes worth rupees 3 crore, MacBook, iPhone, iPad, AirPod, etc. So do not miss this chance at any cost, because here is your chance to get direct guidance from those who have themselves cleared the exam. The link is given below in the description box. Do join this championship program today. Now the body of the answer will be divided into 2 parts. First part will be why is this system required, why it is needed. Second part will be how does it help in navigation. अब क्वेश्चन का जो बॉडी ऑफ द आंसर है ना, वो 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. पहला तो ये जरूरी क्यों है, इसकी जरूरत क्यों है, दूसरा ये नेविगेशन में हेल्प कैसे करता है. द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ इज टेलिंग यू हाउ टू फ्रेम द आंसर. कभी कभी हमें क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत होती है. समटाइम्स वी नीड टू पे आवर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो हियर इन द फर्स्ट part of the body of the answer you will explain that why it is required. It is required to monitor the traffic. It is required for user location. It works like GPS na, global positioning system. So it helps you to understand the location of the person, right? It will help you in providing location, map navigation, how to reach to that location, etc. And third usage is military usage. But see, the GPS, it will be restricted during war times, right? So we need any other technology during war times, how to identify the location of the opponent. For that we required IRNSS. GPS तो ब्लॉक हो जाता है ना वॉर के समय पर. कंट्रीज जब वॉर में होती हैं तो GPS ब्लॉक हो जाता है सिस्टम, राइट? तो उस जगह उस टाइम पर मोमेंट पे हमें एक दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए. तो IRNSS से बेहतर क्या हो सकता है? तो IRNSS से इंडिया को एक कस्टमाइज सर्विस मिल जाएगा हमारे मिलिट्री नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंग, राइट? सो इट प्रोवाइड्स नेविगेशनल सोल्यूशन all time with position accuracy during all weather conditions. Okay, that is why it is needed. Now the second part of the question is saying how does it help in navigation? Why? We know the answer. Why? We know the answer, right? Second part of the body of the question is how does it help in navigation? तरीका क्या है, application क्या है? So you can create a flow chart for that. आप एक flow chart भी बना सकते हो. See, IRNSS system consists of constellation of 7 satellites. It has a group of 7 satellites to monitor the movements. Then 4 satellites are geosynchronous in nature. They will continuously hover above the Indian region के आसपास ये hover around करते रहेंगे. And 3 are geostationary satellite which will be like a point that will be like a grid location, right? एक reference point होगा, उस reference point के हिसाब से हमें location पता चलेगी. According to that reference point, this particular technology will tell us the location, right? We will take this reference point as a base. And users having IRNSS supported chipset and device will be connected to the satellite system similar to GPS Through that we can track the movements and we can reach to the destination. So the second part of the question talks about the technological aspect of IR and SS. That also we have answered. This is how you need to answer read the question and answer accordingly. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस एक ही बॉडी ऑफ द पार्ट में हमने नीड को एक्सप्लेन किया और बाकी सारी चीज अपने आप हो गई. नहीं, वी हैव टू स्पेसिफिकली एक्सप्लेन व्हाई इट इज नीडेड एंड द technological aspect of IR and SS. Okay. Unacademy has launched loan for UPSC preparation on Unacademy, which has zero processing fees, zero interest rate, and get approved. It will get approved in 2 hours with no hidden charges and minimal paperwork. So I have given you the link to apply for the loan. If you are facing any financial burden or hurdle in completing your preparation or taking guidance from top educators, Unacademy is going to help you by providing this loan. The forms link is given below in the description box below the video. You can simply fill up the form. If they ask you for a code, you can write Arpita 10. अगर आपसे कोड पूछते हैं तो Arpita 10 कोड यूज कर सकते हो आप. You can use this code even to get discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. The team will reach out to you via call and they will explain to you the entire procedure. The link is given below. You can fill it up if you need that you want to attend the classes without facing any financial burden or hurdle. अब बात होती है, देखो हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया व्हाट इज IR and SS. वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड व्हाई इज इट नीडेड एंड व्हाट हाउ इट हेल्प्स इन नेविगेशन. नाउ वी हैव टू एंड द क्वेश्चन राइट बाय कंक्लूजन. अब हमें कंक्लूजन देना है. See, conclusion means you have to explain the positivity of IR and SS or if there are any challenges. See, this is a very significant step taken by ISRO, right? We are helping to our particular nation to future proof it from the perspective of security and accuracy of data. We are providing location, we are monitoring the location, tracking the location. So we are future proofing, right, when it comes to technological advancement. So in an information hungry world, it's serving, this IR and SS is serving the national priority of generating and owning reliable data on the neighborhood, right? So this is the best particular conclusion to this question, and this conclusion has been taken from the Indian Express. This is where the newspaper plays a very important role when it comes to mains answer writing. Editorial से लिया है ये हमने conclusion line, right? और ये Indian Express के editorial से लिया है. So that is why it is said read the editorials. In the editorials you will find the introduction, body and conclusion, and you will learn how to frame your answer if you read the editorial analytically. अगर आप देखते हो editorial लिखे कैसे जाते हैं, वो वैसे ही लिखे जाते हैं जैसे mains में आंसर लिखना है आपको. ठीक है, तो इसलिए कहा जाता है editorial पढ़िए, क्योंकि this conclusion has been taken from the editorial. Okay, you have to conclude how this is going to help the future India. Okay, that is how you have to conclude. This is a homework question for all of you. आज के लिए आपका ये homework question है. Discuss the importance and applications. Applications means use of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System of ISRO. Right, 150 words. 10 marks. Try to attempt this question today. आज इस question को attempt करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. ठीक है? So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you are liking these classes, these lecture series, do let me know in the comment section so that we can continue making such series in the future also. Okay?